The Daytona Panda is a popular and iconic watch model from Rolex. Here are some details about the White Panda. 1. Design. The Daytona Panda is known for its distinctive design featuring a white dial with black subdials, hence the Panda nickname. This contrast gives the watch a sporty and elegant look that is highly sought after by watch enthusiasts. 2. Material. The Daytona Panda is typically crafted from high-quality materials such as stainless steel, gold, or a combination of both. Rolex is known for its use of premium materials and impeccable craftsmanship. The Panda is made of 904 stainless steel. 3. Movement. The Daytona Panda is powered by Rolex's in-house caliber movement, which is known for its precision and reliability. The movement is a key component of the watch's performance and longevity. 4. Functions. The Daytona Panda is a chronograph watch, which means it has additional timing functions beyond basic timekeeping. The chronograph feature allows the wearer to measure elapsed time with precision. 5. Legacy. The Daytona line has a rich history and is closely associated with motorsports and racing. The Daytona Panda, in particular, has a special place in the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts due to its timeless design and heritage. 6. Rarity and value. The Daytona Panda is a highly sought-after watch and is often difficult to obtain due to high demand and limited availability. As a result, it can command a premium price on the secondary market. Overall, the Panda is a classic and iconic timepiece that embodies Rolex's commitment to quality, craftsmanship, and timeless design.